3, 4.
Hello again. This song, The Fields of Athenry, was written by Pete St. John. It was a big hit for Paddy Riley, and it's been adopted as a sports anthem in several arenas around the world. Now, I'm playing this in two keys. I'm doing the lesson in the key of D and also in the key of G, because one key might not suit your voice, and so we look at it in two keys, and with the use of a capo you will definitely find the key that suits you. So we'll look at the key of D first, and we have 5 chords. We've got D major and G major and A major, and they're the 1, 4 and 5 chords in that key. We're also using B minor and E minor. It's generally sung as a slow ballad, 4/4 time. So I'm finger picking my accompaniment here, and again the common 4/4 picking pattern is as follows. So that's the chord of D major. I'm picking 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. With my thumb I'm picking the 1, and that's the root note for the chord, which is D, and my fingers pick the same pattern again now. 2nd string, 3rd string, 1st string, 1 and 2 and. Thumb, 2nd finger, 1st finger for the 3rd string, 3rd finger for the 1st string, 1 and 2 and. So to finish off the bar, instead of picking that root note again, I'm alternating the bass with my thumb. I'm going to pick the 5th string as follows: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and thumb on the 4th, thumb on the 5th. Fingers pick the same, and that's the pattern right throughout. For the G major, my thumb is alternating between the 6th and the 4th. 6 is the root note, that note is G. Fingers pick 2nd, 3rd, 1st again. 1 and 2 and. And A major. A major, the root note is on the 5th string, so this time I'm alternating my thumb between the 5th and 4th for the 1 and 3 beats. 1 and 2 and 3. The B minor chord then, the root note is here on the 5th string because I'm fretting that 2nd fret. That note is B, so the picking pattern is the same. I'm alternating my thumb between 5th and 4th. 1, 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the only other chord then is the E minor chord, where I'm alternating my thumb between 6th and 4th, like I did with the G chord. For the introduction to the song, I'm just playing the last line of the song, really the last line of the chorus, and incorporating some picking pattern with it. It's as follows. Okay, so this starts off, I'm picking the second string, second fret, third fret. Then I'm pinching sixth and first strings, playing them together. Now I'm not bothering, this is the E minor chord. I'm not playing the E minor chord fully because I'm not using the fourth and fifth strings here, so it's... Now I'm in just a finger picking pattern, second, third, second, first. On the first string now, second fret, third fret, and I'm barring the four strings here now with my first finger. And again I'm pinching the fifth and first, second string, third string. So as far as there. Then I'm picking the open first string, third fret of the second string, second fret, and then I'm into my D chord and the finger picking pattern. One more time. We'll have a quick look now at playing the song in the key of G, using the chords from the G major scale. 5 chords again obviously, so we've got G major, the 1 chord, C major, the 4 chord, and D major, the 5 chord from the scale. We also use E minor and A minor. I won't go into the finger picking pattern again. It's the very same pattern as we used for the song in D major, where we pick the root note. We'll just look at the G chord. Root note, 1 and 2 and 4th string then as an alternate bass, 6th, 4th. And that pattern is used for each chord. Just remember to pick, your thumb must pick the root note of the chord. And again a quick look at the short intro that I played there. Again is the last line of the song, and I start here on the 4th string with my little finger, 4th fret, 4th string, 4th fret, 4th string, open 3rd string, that note is G, 2nd fret, 3rd string, open and 1st fret of the 2nd string. So that little piece again. I play a hammer and pull off now. Pick the open string, hammer my first finger onto the 1st fret and pull it off. Back to the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, open, and then back to that 4th fret of the 4th string, and now you're into the finger picking pattern for the G chord. 1. One more time slowly. 3, 4.